The Flash Attention 3 is a special hardware unit designed to accelerate the transfer of data between global memory and shared memory. This innovation optimizes the efficiency of data intensive operations by handling all index calculations and out of bound predictions, which traditionally consume significant computational resources. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Flash Attention 3, fast and accurate attention with asynchrony and low precision, likely refers to an advanced development in the field of artificial intelligence, specifically within the context of neural network architectures. This development appears to focus on enhancing the performance and efficiency of the attention mechanism, which is crucial in many AI models, particularly those used in natural language processing, that is NLP, and image recognition tasks. The fast and accurate aspect suggests significant improvements in how quickly and accurately the model can attend to relevant parts of the data. This could mean better real time processing capabilities and more precise outputs, especially in tasks requiring attention to detail over large datasets or long sequences. The hardware unit facilitates faster data movement between global memory and shared memory, reducing latency and improving overall system performance. By managing data transfer internally, this unit ensures smoother and quicker access to necessary data, enhancing processing speeds. Asynchrony, in this context, likely refers to the ability of the model to perform attention related calculations asynchronously. This would enable different parts of the model to process data independently and potentially in parallel, leading to speed improvements and more efficient handling of tasks. Low precision computation. The low precision computation indicates that Flash Attention 3 can operate effectively even when the numerical precision of computations is reduced. This is a common technique to speed up processing and reduce the memory usage of AI models, making them more suitable for deployment on devices with limited hardware capabilities such as mobile phones and embedded systems. The hardware unit is able to automate index calculations, freeing developers from manually coding the operations. This reduces complexity and the potential for errors in code. Automated calculations ensure consistent and accurate data handling, reducing the risk of data corruption or mishandling. Flash Attention 3 represents a significant step forward in the design of neural networks with enhanced attention mechanisms. Its focus on speed, accuracy, asynchrony, and low precision computing addresses some of the key challenges faced in deploying AI models in resource constrained environments. Let's look into today's headlines. Cloudera announces new observability offerings for on-premise and public data centers. Cloudera has announced two new offerings for Cloudera Observability Premium designed to simplify and automate platform administration. These premium tier features provide a single source of observability across all cloud-based and on-premises data centers, even for the most secure enterprises. Cloudera's expanded Cloudera Observability Suite empowers enterprises with highly secure networks to operate observability entirely within their data centers or on the public cloud. Indian iPhone users warned of Pegasus like possible spyware attack. Apple has issued warnings to some iPhone users in India that their device could become a likely target of Pegasus like mercenary spyware attack. The company has sent such a notification for a second time to users in India and 98 other countries across the world. Since 2021, Apple has sent these notifications to users in more than 150 countries. In April this year, the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team flagged multiple vulnerabilities in Apple's operating system for iPhone and iPad. WhatsApp explores Pixel-like transcription feature for voice notes. WhatsApp is reportedly exploring Google Pixel-like voice transcription feature for voice messages. WhatsApp has started testing a new feature that allows users to see a textual transcription of a voice note sent to them. The new feature is available to a select number of Android users in some regions. Once the feature is available, users will be able to enable transcriptions for both incoming and outgoing audio notes. European Union cracks down on Elon Musk's X over disinformation and illegal content. The European Union has slapped charges on Elon Musk's social media platform X for transforming it into a hotbed of disinformation and illegal content. The EU Commission issued formal charges against X, accusing it of violating the EU's stringent social media regulations. The case has been initiated under the bloc's new Digital Services Act and could result in hefty multi-million euro fines for X. NPCI International to allow UPI payments in Qatar. NPCI International has teamed up with Qatar National Bank to allow UPI payments in Qatar. This means users can use their UPI apps like Google Pay or PhonePe to make payments easily in Qatar. Qatar National Bank Group is the largest bank in the Middle East and Africa, operating in over 28 countries. Since Indians are one of the largest groups of visitors to Qatar, this will make transactions much easier and more convenient. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.